Is there anything more cozy for Christmas than a warming hot chocolate? Yeah, a warming hot chocolate with some rum. Today, I'm going to show you a fabulous Christmas cocktail to greet all of your guests and make the most merry. Hello wine lovers, I'm Erin, the founder and chief sommelier here at the Wine Sisters. Welcome to our YouTube channel. This is the place where every week we show you how to eat, drink, and entertain like a pro. It is the season of entertaining. It's the happiest time of year. I hope you are having a great time with all of your friends and loved ones. And perhaps I've got something to sweeten up those good times even just a little bit more. I've long championed a signature cocktail for all of your events. No matter the season, no matter the occasion, a signature cocktail sets the tone for the party. And today I've got a sweet and salty rum hot chocolate that's going to absolutely wow your guests. And it's really pretty too. So let me show you how easy it is. Now I know what you're thinking, Erin, wouldn't it be easier to be in the kitchen? Yes, it would be. It absolutely would be. But how often do you get to do a video standing in front of a Christmas tree? I would suggest probably only once a year. So I am going to take that inch and run that full Christmas mile. Okay, so what I've got here is I've got a beautiful melted bowl of dark chocolate. So this is going to be 90 grams or about 3 ounces. You can get the entire recipe in the show notes below. But I've got about 90 grams of melted chocolate that I've melted with about 1/3 cup of good quality salted butter. To it, I've added in a 1/2 cup of brown sugar and about a teaspoon of salt. And that's all melted in here really nice. Now, I've also warmed up 1.5 cups of just regular water. So I brought it up to a boil. I let it come down a couple of minutes because I'm going to add a spiced rum to our warming water. I don't want that water to be at a boiling point because I feel like boiling water, when you mix it with rum, it does something funny to the alcohol. It kind of gives it a funny taste. So bring it up to the boil, but then give it another 2 to 3 minutes just to reduce from that boil, but still be nice and warm. So into our pot of very warm water that's just come down from the boil, I'm gonna pour in 1/2 cup of our spiced rum. This can be whatever your favorite is. Into that it goes. It already smells Christmassy. And like I said, we've got our gorgeous bowl of melted dark chocolate. I used about, I think it's an 80% dark chocolate. So a really nice dark chocolate with the sugar, a good pinch of salt to give it that really nice savoriness, and butter. Now, y'all know how much I love butter because if you wanted to, you could check out another cocktail that would be lovely for Christmas. That's our hot buttered bourbon apple cider. You can see that in the linked video right here. It is a great one for all the cold weather entertaining as well. Now, I'm just gonna blend this all together. It's gonna come together really nicely. And as that starts to infuse, oh, I've got some more chocolate there. Don't want, waste not, want not. I want all of that good stuff. So let me just put that in there. Somebody can lick the bowl afterwards. So that's all coming together really nicely. And now I'm going to put in a 1/2 cup of whipping cream. You can use whole milk if you want to, just please, 'tis the season, no skim milk, no. So I'm just gonna put in all of that gorgeous full fat cream. Really simply comes together, no problem. Now, if you're gonna be doing this in the kitchen like a normal person and not standing in front of your Christmas tree, all you need to do is turn off the heat. You don't want, or keep it on a very, very low flame. And that's it. Look how beautiful that is. All I'm going to do now, I find this to be a very rich drink. So I like to serve it in these little demi-tasse cups. These are actually super adorable. I serve them with some little chocolates on the side, and I think that's plenty. You will probably get, for this recipe, about, I'm gonna say 8 to 10 of these little espresso cups. If you want to go full throttle, hey, and 'tis the season of excess, if you would like to go full throttle, you'll probably get about 4 cups, like coffee cup sized. So, whoop, let's see if I can do this without making a mess. Think I can? Any betters out there? So I'm just gonna try and very daintily to the best of my ability. Oh, that looks great. And into our little demi-tasse cup with our little chocolates, it is your salted rum hot chocolate. I think Santa would approve. Okay, friends, I hope that you are enjoying a very safe, happy, and joyous Christmas season. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up and maybe consider hitting that subscribe button and the bell so you'll get alerted to when we drop a new video every single week. If you have any questions about Christmas entertaining, New Year's entertaining, or entertaining in general, please leave them below and I will get back to you as soon as I can. And if you have some friends who you think might be interested in learning how to eat, drink, and entertain like a pro, send them this video and encourage them to subscribe too. So until next year, stay well, drink better.